welcome back to my channel. I'm Neha and I really hope that you all are doing well. So in today's video सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको एक good news दे देती हूँ. Currently I am shooting a vlog from my new home in Lucknow and I'm like really happy about it. Thank you so much for all the wishes in advance. And moving on, this video is about some home decor that I bought from Home Center to decorate my house, and I really hope that you guys like it. So that's a lot of talking, so without further ado, let's get into the video. सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको बता दूं कि ये जो भी डेकोरेशन मैं लाई हूँ वो क्योंकि दिवाली आ रही है तो कुछ मैंने दिवाली के थीम से भी ले लिया, लाइक कैंडल होल्डर्स एंड स्टफ, बिकॉज दे ऑल लुक नाइस. एंड कुछ चीज़ें एक्सपेरिमेंट थी कि एक लेके चलते हैं एंड देन वी विल सी कि हमारे स्पेस में वो फिट हो भी रहा है या नहीं, एंड देन वी विल बाय मोर. सो ऐसा करके हम सामान लेके आए हैं बिकॉज वी आर नॉट रियली श्योर, और मैंने मेजरमेंट्स भी नहीं ले रखे थे सारी स्पेसेस के, तो हम बस ऐसे ही बस चले गए थे कि कलेक्शन देखने कि वहाँ पे कैसा सामान है, ला सकते हैं नहीं ला सकते हैं एंड स्टफ. अनफॉर्चुनेटली आई एंड अप स्पेंडिंग अ लॉट, बट एनीवेज आई एम हैप्पी विद ऑल द स्टफ दैट आई बॉट. एवरीथिंग फिट्स सो परफेक्टली एंड एवरीथिंग लुक्स सो नाइस इन माई हाउस. I mean I have tested them and removed them from their place just to shoot this video, and then I'll put them back after I'll do all this. Anyways, moving on, so I'll show you the first thing that I bought is this really cute flowers and this vase along with it. So this is actually to fit in these wall niche kind of thing. We have 3 of those and I wasn't really sure कि यहाँ पे क्या लगाएं, because समझ नहीं आता, फोटोज़ लगाते तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाता है एंड लाइट भी है ऊपर इन पे, अगर आप देख सकते हैं तो थर्ड वाले में आपको थोड़ी सी लाइट की शैडो दिख रही है, तो समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि क्या करें. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू पुट 2 vases and something in the middle so that it looks थोड़ा सा balanced, but I'll tell you the story later. Anyway, so I bought this I bought for $7.99 I guess. This one is something that my mom picked and I really liked it, and then at an instant I saw these flowers, so I bought the white ones and the pink ones. I haven't removed the tag so that I can tell you the prices. This one is $3.99 for 1 stick. I'll show you how big this plant is. Okay, cannot remove it. Somehow it's stuck completely, so I cannot remove it, but they are quite tall, so if you're planning to keep something on the floor and put the flowers in it, this will fit. And they're like now I cannot really show you कि इसका एक branch कितना heavy है या कितना bushy है, but anyways these are 2, so please have an idea because I cannot remove it from the vase. This is so properly fixed, but this looks so nice, pink and white. It gives such nice color to, you know, the white background and stuff, so I really liked it, and this vase fits perfectly in the wall. The next thing that I bought is this. These are like candle holders or something wherein you can keep the small wali candles, so these are like Diwali vibe completely, and this is also picked by my mom, and this is for $5.99. Some of these things were on discount. I don't really remember कि किस पे कितना discount था, so I'm just telling you the price that's on the tag. That's the reason why मैंने tags नहीं हटाए हैं. अगर किसी पे मुझे discount पता लग जाएगा तो I'll tell you. So this is $5.99 का and it looks so nice. So what I did is मैंने एक this wall niche इसमें ये रखा, एक में vase रखा, and then I realized that I should buy 2 of these so that it looks like थोड़ा सा manageable in the 3 walls. So yeah, so I mean you're getting my feeling, right? The next thing is this oil diffuser that I got. This is lavender. This is for $2.49, which I think is nice. All you have to do is just put in the oil in the vase and drop in some sticks that they give you for the fragrance. And this lavender, I like lavender smell in the house, so yeah, every place should smell good, right? And next is this cute pot, which is again I think candle holder or something. You can burn candle inside, and this was for $4.49. I got it for $2.25, which I think is a pretty good deal. And the next thing is this cube plate which I bought. वैसे ये जो है ये मैंने अपने घर में मतलब दिल्ली में रखने के लिए पसंद किया था, बट वहाँ पे तो उनका डिफेक्टिव पीस था और मुझे फ्रेश मिला नहीं, तो मैं ले नहीं पाई। बट मैं यहाँ ही मैंने देखा, मैं तुरंत पिक कर लिया रही, तो दिस इज समथिंग आई लाइक। सो दिस वन इज फॉर 699 एंड इट्स क्वाइट हैवी एंड इट्स लाइक यू कैन कीप इट ऑन योर डाइनिंग टेबल और ऑन योर कॉफी टेबल। एंड वन मोर थिंग आई बॉट अलॉन्ग विद इट, oops, I got some almost. One more thing I bought is this potpourri. This is like, so you can put the flowers in the bowl and they smell good, so you can just smell it and you know it refreshes your mood. So this is the next thing that I bought. Moving on, again 2 candle holders kind of stuff, but you can see these look so nice. This is like a flower. Hold on. See, this is like a flower. You can just keep it like this and it will look so good. So this is for Diwali. And this again is for 599. So again something that I picked in Delhi but got to buy it here. Moving on, जैसा कि यहाँ पे walls है ना, वैसे ही square shaped walls मेरे dining area में भी हैं। तो वहाँ पे 4 walls हैं, तो I have picked 4 of sculptures like these to keep in there. And this one is for 999. I think this one is a little expensive, but it looks so pretty, and this is all golden and pink, and I really liked it, so I've already tried on the wall and it looks so pretty. Next thing is this frame which has hangers on it, families forever. So बाहर एक wall पे I've already decided कि ये वहाँ hang होगा, because if you want to hang any keys or anything, like आप बाहर से आ रहे हो and if you want to hang anything, so this will be outdoors, and plus it has a nice coat, so it looks nice out there, so this is for there. Moving on, again वो जो 4 walls हैं उसमें रखने के लिए एक sculpture ये है. This one is again also a little expensive, but I really liked it, so this is, oh my god, this is too expensive. This is 1199, but I really liked it, so it's okay. It will look good on the walls. Moving on, the next thing is this planter which is picked by my mom. These flowers, I mean this pot is for 699 and this planter is for 449, and both of these things are picked by my mom. बड़े अच्छे से उन्होंने adjust कर दिया था. Anyways, this also looks nice. The next thing that I bought is another sculpture. This is for 999, and again this is one of the sculpture that will go on those 4 wall kind of thing, and yes, that is also picked by my mom. Moving on, we bought these 2 trays as well. One is for 299 and this one is for 349, which I think look pretty nice. Again, this one is more like Diwali vibe, right? The next thing that I bought are some rugs or doormats. This one is a doormat, like a bath mat, which is in very pretty blue color, and I really like it. This one is for 799 and it's so soft. And I bought one dari kind of stuff as well. This one is 599, which I think is pretty good deal because this is quite big. Some basics. Moving on, there are 2 things that my brother picked as well, and one is this whisker. I don't know what he will cook with this, but my brother picked this. The next thing that my brother picked is this wall clock, and मैंने अभी तक open करके देखी भी नहीं है, so let me check how it is. And this one is for पैसे पता नहीं कहाँ लिखे हैं, I don't know. Oops. 799. अच्छी है. The next thing that I bought is this spoon 24 piece cutlery set for 999. इसके साथ ना stand भी था, and जो cutlery है उसका भी like design वगैरह अच्छा था, तो मुझे अच्छा लगा, तो मैंने बोला ले लेते हैं. ऐसा है कुछ open नहीं किया है मैंने अभी तक. Mom will open. So since मैंने थोड़ा बिगर अमाउंट का शॉपिंग किया था, तो यू नो वो जो डील्स चलते रहते हैं कि इतने का सामान इतने में मिलेगा. सो आई गॉट दिस लंच बॉक्स सेट जिसमें 9 लंच बॉक्सेस हैं, ओनली फॉर 999. वेरी हैवी. सारे इसमें ग्लास वाले लंच बॉक्सेस हैं, जैसे वो टिफिन नहीं आते ऑफिस ले जाने वाले वो। एंड आई गॉट दीज हैंड टॉवल्स फॉर 199 समथिंग इन द डील। इसका प्राइस भी 599 है एंड आई गॉट इट फॉर 199 एंड these are these hand towels which I got for kitchen and stuff. So this is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I just want to thank you guys for supporting me and motivating me to make more videos. I mean जब भी मेरे को 1 से 2 महीने हो जाते हैं मैं कोई videos post नहीं करती हूँ, तो you guys keep asking me कि why are you not making any video and stuff like that. It just makes me so happy. I feel like I have such nice audience, I have such blessed people, and thank you so much. I really wanted to thank you guys like this. I really wanted to thank you all for watching my videos and supporting my videos. It just makes me feel so good, and whenever I shoot a video I feel so happy. I mean, I feel like this is something that I really want to do, but I cannot do it like full time. But anyways, I really enjoy your support, your love, and that's all I need right now. So thanks a lot, and if you like the video, please like, share and comment, and let me know which piece and which artifacts and which stuff that you like the most, or what else would you like to see the most. I will try to make a video about it. So I think this is it for today's video. Thanks a lot, guys, once again, and I will see you soon in my next video. I hope I'll make a video really soon, and I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, let's say bye. Ta-da!